So, back to about those other two cars. Have you guys been in this call before? This guy's just been screwing he's been screwing for the last 3 days.
Okay.
Your mobile crisis came out for didn't make contact, I guess, last week. He's right next to the river, really bad spot.
Gotcha.
We'll head back there with you guys.
Go ahead.
Our sergeant's back there.
Okay.
But it's off our property, so they don't want us to do anything.
Okay. Yeah, it's off your property.
Go ahead.
This building's secure. Could you try to call back to him? Come down and meet me, please.
Yep.
You guys, you've been messing with this guy already, you officers?
I haven't dealt with him.
Obviously, mental health issues is on the bridge there. He may have had a fire going, some smoke over there. But
David, he's coming out.
your guys from here, I don't think CIT here or not, whatever that.
Copy, thank you.
Uh-huh.
But they did nothing. So he continues
No problem.
to alarm people over here, yelling, screaming. Nothing on our property coming over recently, at least.
Uh-huh.
Every time our employees are over here doing work, he's screaming at them.
So where's he at? Down there? Or... Okay.
Like I said, don't ever ID him. He knows who the guy is,
Okay.
but he's not very useful.
Okay. We'll head over there. So, yeah. Authorized vehicles only.
Looks like they're signed.
Came here last time, 1969, badge number. We tried to call mobile crisis. We tried talking to him and he was private. Oh, well, that's somebody else. Something like that. Right on this pillar on the other side. See where the opening is?
Uh-huh.
You go to that opening into the wall.
They're here. What you doing down here?
Minding my own business.
You can't be over here.
Yeah, I can.
No?
Yeah.
This is all private property.
It's the railroad's property.
Yeah, that's private.
Yeah, right.
That's private.
They got their own police, right? Private police, right?
Yeah, but you're also in the city of Cleveland, so that's why we're here.
Stop talking to me, man. You gonna check me about Mighty Soul?
Okay, so here's the
Are
thing.
you here to check me about Marty Soul? What's the thing?
Here's the thing. If you keep acting like this, then you're just gonna go down to jail.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
acting
trying
like
to
what?
sit. I'm trying to sit
Acting like
here and
what?
talk with you.
Acting like what?
Acting like this.
Like what? Talking to you?
No, yelling at me.
Don't come
being
down
brash,
here
being
approaching me about
rude.
nothing, man.
Okay, so how about you come over here?
Bad stuff, man.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you this option one more time. You can come over here and talk with
I'm
us.
sitting right here talking to you, man.
You can come over
I'm
here
not
and talk
coming
with
over
us. So you want to go to jail then?
No,
That's your choice.
man.
That's your choice.
Man, get away from me.
Okay, we can go to jail then. That's
What's
fine.
the charge?
Trespassing
What? Where?
on the railroad.
No, there ain't no trespassing.
You're in the
Quit
railroads
fucking with me,
area.
bitch. Joyce, I'm gonna fucking kill you, bitch. Marine, I'm gonna fucking... Here we go, being fake. How long we gonna be fake, bitch?
You want to keep going this route? How'd you envision your day going? So come on out here, we can talk for a second.
I hear you just fine. I'm not deaf.
Okay, then come out here.
Okay?
Then come out here because I can't see you behind these bushes.
Come in here.
No. You guys want to help us grab him out then? Okay. Yeah.
And threatening you to do something to you?
Yep. Okay. Let's see. These are all thorn bushes though, just... Okay, this is your last chance, okay?
I'm down here minding my own business, catching fish and shit. Mind your own business, man.
You want to get tased? Is that how you want to
Hey, for what?
For acting like this.
Acting like what, man?
Combative.
I'm down here fishing. Mind your own fucking business, man.
I don't know how you guys want to do this with the river being right here.
Well, you just want to go through the hole there. Don't be shy. Come on.
How much room's in there?
Let me throw on gloves.
Watch his hands there. See your hands out there. Hey, get over here.
Go through here.
Get over here now.
There's no trees over there.
Just get over here and quit acting that way. Walk over here.
I'm coming over here so you can see
Get
my
over
hands.
here.
I'm over here so you can see my hands, man.
I tell you
Now
what.
you want to go back there and hide so you can...
No, you're going to come over here by this hole. Now get over
You're
here.
fine, man.
Get over here.
I'm fishing, man. What?
You're not fishing now. Get in this hole
I'm
over
sitting
here.
here getting prepared to go fishing for the day, spend the day here.
You're going to come over here now.
For what?
Because you're under arrest. Now get
For
over
what?
here. Trespassing, disorderly
Where?
conduct. Now get over here. All right, so now you don't want to. Now you're going to add additional charges to what you have now. Is that what you're saying? Is that correct? I don't even know what your name is. What's your name? I grabbed before you guys talking about it. No, no, other thing there.
Yeah. Come on over.
For what?
Come on.
I got my weed and my resin in my pocket. Don't try to act like it's heroin. I heard you guys talking that shit.
I don't give a fuck what you got in your
Shut
pocket.
the fuck up, bitch.
117 male detained.
Fuck all you, bitch.
Stricklers.
Can we get through over there?
Yeah, see if we can get some from maintenance. Water, we can put this fire thing out.
I need my bag with my phones right there.
Later, it doesn't have to do right now, but when we get
I need my bag with my phones in it, bitch. Ain't no later about it, bitch. You here to check me about body soul, bitch? Then be a bitch and walk away if it ain't you, bitch. What? That black bag right there, my duffel bag. And I got resin and weed in my pocket. I got medical marijuana license.
Okay, well that's gonna get thrown out when you go to county
Ah, shut up,
regardless.
bitch. That's all you want, bitch. You're a petty bitch. Quit dropping my shit, bitch.
Alright, easy, man.
These my phones are in there, man.
Alright, take it easy.
Oh, fuck you and Nunu, bitch. Fuck you, bitch.
Move that way,
Oh,
go.
you're a tough guy with the cuffs again. Here they go with the cuffs again, bitch. Tightening up.